Hi guys. We have never seen the host like this. Durga. Yes. Because we have been to Reflection, we have been to Save Hub, we have been to Gola Sizzlers, but never amazing experience.
Yes.
But we have never had a host like this. She's so sweet. She's so loving. I loved it, and I wanted to have this in future every time.
Thank you, Durga, for having us. We loved it.
You're so
much.
Thank you, Durga. Thank you, Suman. Thank you, plus team. Thank you. लाइन बोलना चाहते हैं बस. इवेंट जितने मर्जी हो, चाहे गोला सिजलर्स पे हो, चाहे सेब हब पे हो, चाहे कहीं भी हो, बट टीम के जैसी इतनी हम्बल, लविंग और स्वीट मतलब हमने इन्फ्लुएंसर या होस्ट कभी नहीं देखी. आई लव्ड हर.
Okay, hello creators.
Hi.
Hope you are enjoying this event. Okay, thank you. So I have a few questions for you as a creator because I hope that you have shown your side, like different sides to your followers on Instagram. But today we will get to know real you. Okay. So my first question is, how's life as a content creator? So like I want you to reply one by one. So we will start from Geet.
Thanks. So, I think as a content creator, we need to take a lot of shots to get the one perfect shot for the reel. This is the content creator life. बहुत सारे shots के बाद एक shot हमें मिलता है और बहुत hard working है.
Okay. So do you enjoy it?
Yes, I am loving it.
Okay, thank you. Now we will go to Pramjot. I really believe that as a content creator, our life is very interesting and entertaining. But what people see in our profile is not related to our life properly because they just only see, I think, 0.1% of our real life. Okay. Our real life is behind the camera.
Okay.
Yeah, थोड़ा स्ट्रगल भी है, मज़े भी है, एंड आई फील कि हमें बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज़ भी मिलती है, कई बार नहीं भी मिलती. सो आई थिंक इट्स काइंड ऑफ मिक्सचर.
So do you love it?
या आई लव इट.
Okay. So we'll go to Ruhani next. Yes, hi. As a
Hi.
content creator, I am actually a mother in my real life. My day starts in the morning with my kids and end with my kids. But as a content creator, I loved my job. It's little hard also because after so many shots, you'll get one perfect shot.
Yeah.
But yes, this is what my passion is. I'm working also, but this is one thing makes me happy and passionate.
Okay.
I loved it.
You love it already.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I
Thank
definitely love it. Thank you.
you. So we'll go to Akansha now.
Yeah. So I don't know if I'm actually a content creator, but whatever I'm doing, I'm actually loving it. It's actually fantabulous, and also what people see is actually fun, but behind it, the mehnat, oh my god. And I feel like it's pure sheer consistency that we show there, and yeah, I just love it.
Thank you. Okay, so we will have from Isha now.
Yeah, so first of all, I would like to say that through content creation, I've met many professional people, like the same-minded people. With them, I get to know many new things that I was not knowing earlier. And apart from this, I think it's a freedom कि आप कुछ भी shoot कर रहे हो जो आपकी daily life है आप उस पर दिखा सकते हो. You don't have to be restricted by anything. And apart from this, I think I've got many new opportunities through this. So I'm totally loving this journey.
Okay, thank you. What is your guilty pleasure?
Okay, I think my guilty pleasure is online shopping window. I keep adding to the things to my cart, and boom, it's already on my door. So this is
So guilty pleasure. मेरा guilty pleasure है मीठा. I have a sweet tooth and I just can't resist. So yeah, कुछ भी मीठा is my guilty pleasure. बहुत उसके बाद guilt होता है, but वो जो खा के जो सुकून मिलता है ना, it's amazing.
कि now I have the guilty pleasure कि मैं कहीं पे भी जा रही हूँ तो I get free food and free रहने के लिए. So this can be my guilty pleasure as a content creator. Yeah.
हाय. एज अ गिल्टी प्लेजर मैं यही बोलूँगी कि सुबह जिम जाओ और शाम को खूब सारा खाना खाओ, विच इज़ दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ माई जॉब, पार्ट ऑफ माई पैशन. और गिल्टी प्लेजर होता है बट इतना नहीं होता है क्योंकि वो फन भी है. अच्छा खाना खाना, अच्छे फ्रेंड्स से मिलना और बहुत सारा ड्रिंक भी करना साथ में. गिल्टी प्लेजर है बट फन ज़्यादा है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है, एट द एंड आई एम हैप्पी, माई फैमिली इज़ हैप्पी, आई एम गेटिंग सेटिस्फाइड, गुड फूड. तो गिल्टी प्लेजर, इट्स ओके, चिल पिल. Yeah, thank you.
We always need different outfits, different looks, so I think that's the thing which I love the most. Next thing is, what is the best thing you like being a woman? Well, I'm obsessed with creating, experimenting different makeup looks and trying different outfits, trying different things. So I think as a woman, I'm very happy because I can do anything what I want to. Because men, if I have to compare with the men, they just wear one outfit. They can wear that for a month, but women can't do this.
So the best thing about being a woman, I can raise my babies and build their dreams, enjoy this glam life, mother life, and side by side I can try the clothes which I've never tried, so I'm doing that. So this is the confidence I am building as a woman. So, and many women are inspiring to see my stories, to see my real life. That's how I love it. Thanks.
Being a woman in itself is fantastic. Whatever I feel like is amazing is to dress up. I love wear ethnic and to dress up, to do makeup, to wear big jhumkas. I just love it. Thank you.
Hi, I wanted to say being a woman, being a feminist, being sensitive, being everything. As a woman, I am a mother, I am a working woman, I am everything. We are representing strongness, we are representing ability, we are representing feminism. We are actually very strong. As a woman, I love myself and I wanted that confidence in every woman who's staying at home, who's working, who's non-working, because non-working women are also very strong. They are taking care of the family 24/7. That's job which is very hard, which is you should be confident, you should go out, you should feel confidence. It's beautiful being a woman. I love myself and I want to convey this message to every woman that be confident, be happy, love yourself what you are. This life is very precious as a woman. Thank you.
Okay, so now I want to know that do you show your personal side online frequently, or is it like you do it or for the brand collaborations majorly and keep your personal life apart from social media? So I would say that not really and or not completely, because I only prefer to show about or give information to people about different brands, what new in the market, what's in trend. But sometimes also I feel like that I should show people that where I'm traveling to. So I think through my stories I convey people messages about my real site, and through my reels I show about the brands and what's new in the market. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, I love showing to people my personal side. I usually do that, my yoga routine, my diet, what I am eating. So people also inspire me, like what Geet is doing today, what Geet is not doing today. So I think personal side is also mandatory to show online. Apart from that, your brand content, people connect with that personal content also. So I think that's necessary. Thank you.
Yeah, so I would like to say that Instagram is a place where you share everything about you. So I share everything about my life on Instagram by maintaining some boundaries and some of my privacy as well. Apart from where I'm going and where I'm traveling, there are some things that need to be protected because as we know that it's an open platform and
How does it
everyone
feel?
is there and people can stalk you through this. So I think we should share everything and I share everything,
हमारे पास
but with
मुझे
some
ऐसा लगता है
boundaries.
salon की और
My category on Instagram is basically personal blog as well. So I would say कि yes, 80% I show my personal life, but yeah, मेरा एक private account भी है guys. तो सब कुछ नहीं दिखता वहाँ पे, but yeah, mostly तो brands ही हैं. So yeah.
Hi, thank you for your question. I wanted to answer. Hi. I wanted to answer that yes, my personal life is actually same as a real life and a real life also. Whatever, wherever I go, I post it. Whatever the real emotions are there, I'll be posting it. I am very much confident in doing that because as a mom, as a working woman, and as an influencer content creator, I am very much happy to show people what I am, what I am doing, where I am. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, creators, for being so real. So I just want to ask that did you like this conversation, and if yes, then why?
So yeah, we like the conversation. We like the ambience. We love to meet new peoples as we have does today. So it was a great meetup. Thank you, Gola Sizzler, for having me. Thank you.
I really like this conversation. It was a very healthy conversation where we get to meet new people, and everyone was so sweet and so nice. Thank you so much, Gola Sisters, for this amazing event.
So being here at this meet,
guys,
I just loved it. It's something different that I usually do. And thank you, Gola Sizzler, for having us.
To start my conversation, I have no pressure to be very formal or be the real life. It is actually real life what I am sharing here.
सबके फोन में बजा
बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा सा स्विच करना चाहूँगी. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. Somebody is actually listening about our real life. Somebody is actually
सब लोग
the first actually thing जो हमारी real life convert करती है into a real life. I am loving this concept. First time I am getting this concept and I am loving it. Food, good food, friends, new connections, and I loved it. Thank you so much.
Okay, so one last question for you. Did you like Gola Sizzler, and why? And would you recommend Gola to your followers? If yes, then why?
अगर मैं बात करूँ यहाँ की, I loved it. The event was super amazing, and the food and the drinks both were amazing and very tasty. So I would definitely recommend this Gola Sizzler to everyone, especially to my best friends. I will definitely come here again. Thank you.
So hi, so I love the place. Gola Sizzler been my favorite place. I have been to Zirakpur location, and now I am into Mohali location. They have epic drinks, epic food. I will definitely recommend to my friends and family. And I have tried their paneer tikka, salt and pepper, and dim sum. Lovely, awesome taste. So must visit, guys, with your friends and family. You can even organize, invite your friends for a birthday parties and kitty parties. Both are amazing. Thank you.
So yeah, I really like the food of Gola Sizzlers. The ambience is so nice, and you should visit here with your friends and family. The food is so good. The best that I've tried here is chicken fried rice and chicken sizzler. These two are my best that I've tried here, and you must visit here, I must say.
So Gola Sizzlers, I totally loved it. The ambience, the food, the most amazing thing for me was salt and pepper, their drinks, the virgin sangria, and also what I loved, the dim sums. Must try, guys, must visit, and definitely I'm going to pay a visit here soon. Thank you.